The HP-07 table tennis robot is designed to enhance your training by launching balls with precision and variety, offering 36 different spins to master your game. Installation is a breeze with the HP-07, as it requires no tools and its position can be adjusted to suit your personal preferences, making it both user-friendly and adaptable. This table tennis robot allows you to adjust the ball's frequency and speed with ease, accommodating various skill levels and training needs. The robot's capacity to hold over 100 ping pong balls ensures a continuous practice session without frequent refilling, allowing for uninterrupted focus on skill improvement. With the ability to simulate 9 different types of spin, including topspin and backspin, the HP-07 provides a comprehensive training experience. Its lightweight and portable design make it a versatile training companion, perfect for use at home or with friends and family to enjoy and improve your table tennis skills.